Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in the last lesson we learned about styling our text and adding colors to our application. But today I'll be teaching you guys how to use images in your website. So the first thing we'll be doing here is let's delete this text and then we use an image. The child property will take the image. Let me spell this correctly. Image and then so inside our image we have our image property which we have image, and here first image I'll be using is network image. So network, and let's get the link to our image. So I found this image on splash.com and I'll be using it in my website, in my app. So let's copy the image address and use it here. Network image, and here we have our string. Let me paste it, and if we alt restart, let's wait for it here. Alt restart, and you should see our image in a few seconds. Okay guys, and here is our image which we got from the Splash website. Also, if you have a custom image that you want to use, just come here and right click. So you create a folder called asset. You can give it any name though in your hello world, in the root of your file. So, and I have created mine, so I just have to move the picture I want inside the assets folder. Okay, so let me get a picture here, pictures, and I'm using this capture one image. So let me move it into my assets folder and then refactor so to get it, and that is the image we'll be using. So we are not yet through, we have to go into our pop spec. So this is the image I'll be using. So we'll go into our pop spec.yaml file and this file there, and then we'll look for where our asset is. So this is my asset. Then I'll uncomment it. We press Ctrl and the forward slash to uncomment it, and then you move this so that you align it with the others. So here and here, then you run pubget from here, and you should get it in a few seconds. So let's continue then. We'll delete this network image, delete everything there, and instead of the network image, we'll be using something called assets image. We'll be using assets image. Wow, error on the assets. So I didn't explain this. Under our assets, we'll be having our assets folder because that's the directory where our images, and then we have this forward slash there. So let me see. Error online, expected a key while passing a block asset. I'll move it to the back again, and okay, pubget. So here we'll be having an asset image. We have an asset image here, and then so our pub get is true. Here we'll be having and inside our asset image we have our asset, a special directory, then the capture one which I want to use, and the auth hashtag we should see it in our device now. Okay, so and this is it. So this is where we'll stop today, guys. Also, you notice that I actually made a mistake when working with this asset image, and I had to do it my pop spec, and I noticed that the indentation here was actually the one causing the error. So if you're having an error like unable to load asset file, just come here and indent. So for your asset, you have few tabs or 4 spaces, and this is your directory here. You have here you have 2 tabs, and here you have 4 tabs. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.